My name is Aleah from Aurora Middle School, and today I'm going to be teaching you about hands-on equations. This blue pawn equals x. It's a variable, which means it's an unknown value. This white pawn is also a variable, but it's the opposite of x. It's neither positive or negative. And when you put these two together, they make a pair of 0. This red cube is a constant. It's always positive. This green cube is also a constant, but it's always negative. My first problem is x plus 10 equals 3x plus 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is a legal move. You can take two blue pawns away from both sides. Next, I'm going to take 2 away from each side. And if you do that, this 10 becomes an 8, and this goes off of the board. Our problem now becomes 2x equals 8. I'm going to divide by 2 on each side. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 8 divided by 2 equals 4. That means that x is going to equal 4. My next problem is negative 10 plus x equals the opposite of 3x plus 2. So in this problem, there's no legal move that we can do, so I'm going to add 2 white pawns to each side so the scale is still even. Now I can take away the pair of 0 from this side, and our problem becomes negative 10 equals the opposite of 4x plus 2. I'm now going to add 2 green 2's to each side, which will get rid of this 2 and isolate the variable. So these two offset each other, and this becomes a negative 12. So now I am going to divide by negative 4 on each side. So this would equal 1, and this would equal 3. But since we don't normally solve for negative x in a problem, we're going to flip the number around, which would have been negative 3, since x and the opposite of x are opposites. So x would equal 3. My last problem is 5 plus x plus the opposite of 3x equals 3x plus the opposite of 2x plus negative 1. So the first thing I'm going to do during this problem is take away the pairs of 0 on this side, and then I'm going to do it once on this side. Now I'm going to do another legal move, which is taking the same color of pawn from each side. So 2 white pawns, and now I'm going to add 2 blue pawns to each side so the scale is still even, and then take away the pair of 0 on this side. Now, to isolate the variable, I'm going to put positive 1 on each side so it will get rid of this green 1. These two offset each other so they can go off the board, and this becomes a positive 6. Now I'm going to divide by 3 on each side, so 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So x in this problem would equal 2.